Yure parish yemerongo ene na inye ase ritukoria rero hiyo gutoka ime chinsemo chia Nyakoe ose wadi ya Nyakoe ime ya Kitutu Church South ase county ya Kisii no moiga omanene onyara kurawa no mo bishop we diocese ya Kisii nere Joseph Mairora Okemwa oyo oikiranwa na barai au kurwa ase serikali county ya Kisii abarai bage siasa na boigo abobwatani au no mulikito Tyson Manyara agutumanya.
I, Right Reverend Joseph Mairora Okemwa, Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Kisii, after deep reflection and necessary consultation as required by law, do hereby establish St. Matthias Mulumba Iranda Parish in accordance with the Code of Canon Law.
Omwesikobyo Kisii, Bishop Joseph Mairora Okemwa, nigo anyegora bene Iranda Parish na koyeroka elieta lyo mutakatifu Matthias Mulumba. Nigo mo bishop amokwanera Matthias Mulumba kurwa Buganda nigo aitetwe esauri anjete Yesu Kristo.
He was one of those martyred because of Kabaka Mutesa. He killed people, and this Mulumba was one of his leaders. But because he insisted of being Catholic, he was killed along with others. Even the youngest called Kizito. Charles Ruanga, we have a cathedral called Charles Ruanga, was their head. They died.
Nigo eparish iyo egotoka se wadi ya Nyakoe, Kitutu Church South, Kisii County. Boigo mo bishop narwa etobauti erororo ase kanisa amone parish.
I'm saying that there is a difference between church and parish. A church is a physical place of worship for the Christians around that area. And you have a beautiful church here. That is the place that attracts many people to come and worship. Jesus Christ wants us to be one. A parish is the fundamental local community of the Catholic Church, consisting of a specific geographical territory and the congregation that resides within that area.
Chisenda chaye niko chire isano nemo na isato niko cha Rusugwa Maran Parish ne chinde isato kurwa Nyabururu Parish. Niko omo bishop amwaka mabuta na kumobeka omo sacerdote lapa ni chuma kojera parish yo eyo.
Canonically installed Father Laban Chuma as parish of St. Matthias Mulumba Parish. I, Father Laban Chuma, with the sound faith, believe and profess all and everything that is contained in the symbol of faith.
Bishop Joseph Mairora Okemwa chingakie chiechio nigo akora amonjoleria yaba sacerdote babere. Fata Timothy Ongera nigo aegwari huko agende komokonya Fata Masese parish ya Nyamira.
When you report there, I'm sending Father Timothy Ongera there, who is currently in Siongo, but I cannot leave you at your home.
Fata Peter yako boigo orusi wa Kisii Cathedral otumagocha Kerema Parish.
A young priest who is not so young, he has worked in so many parishes. And now even the Vicar General does not know. I'm snatching you, Father Peter Yako.
Kuripoti Gatembe, Kurwa Nyakoe Ward, Kitutu Church South, Wycliffe Tyson.